Are you ready to capture breathtaking moments like never before? In this video, we're diving into the top 5 best mirrorless cameras of 2025. Whether you're a professional photographer or just starting your creative journey, you won't want to miss this list. And trust me, one of these cameras has a feature so unique, it's a total game changer. Stick around to find out which one stands out from the rest. Be sure to check out the links we've included. They'll take you straight to the latest discounts for every product we discuss in this video. Don't miss out on the best deals. So make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. So without further ado, let's dive in. Number 5. Sony A7RV. The Sony A7RV is a groundbreaking full-frame mirrorless camera designed for photographers and videographers who demand unmatched resolution and detail. It boasts an impressive 61 megapixel back-illuminated Exmor R CMOS sensor paired with the cutting-edge Bionz XR processor, ensuring sharp and vivid image quality even in challenging lighting conditions. The camera supports continuous shooting at 10 frames per second with full autofocus and auto exposure, making it suitable for action photography as well as studio portraits. Its video capabilities are equally stellar, offering 8K recording at 24p and 4K at 60p with 10-bit 422 color, ideal for professional video production. The autofocus system includes 759 phase detection points and advanced real-time tracking, including AI-based subject recognition for precise focusing on humans, animals, and even vehicles. A 9.44 million OLED electronic viewfinder ensures a crystal clear preview of your shots, while the articulating touchscreen adds versatility for creative compositions. The in-body 5-axis image stabilization offers up to 5.5 stops of compensation, allowing sharp handheld shooting. The magnesium alloy body is weather sealed, ensuring durability in challenging environments. Dual card slots supporting CF Express Type A and UHS-2 SD cards provide fast and reliable storage options. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB-C, offering seamless file transfers and remote control. Priced around $3,900, the Sony A7R5 is the ultimate choice for professionals looking for high resolution, exceptional autofocus, and robust performance across photography and videography. Number 4. Fujifilm X-S20. The Fujifilm X-S20 is a compact yet powerful APS-C mirrorless camera that balances performance and portability. At its core is a 26.1 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor, known for its unique color reproduction and high dynamic range. This sensor is complemented by the X Processor 5, enabling 8 FPS mechanical shutter bursts and up to 30 FPS with an electronic shutter. Ideal for photographers on the go, the XS20 supports 4K video recording at 60p and even full HD at 240 FPS for stunning slow motion footage. One of its standout features is its 5-axis in-body image stabilization, offering up to 7 stops of compensation, perfect for handheld shooting or videography. The 2.36 million OLED electronic viewfinder and 3-inch vari-angle LCD touch screen make composing and reviewing shots effortless, even in tricky angles. Fujifilm's film simulation modes add a creative touch, emulating iconic film stocks like Velvia and Provia. The XS20 is lightweight, making it an excellent travel companion, yet it doesn't compromise on durability with a well-built body. Connectivity features include Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, allowing for quick sharing of images and remote control via the Fujifilm app. With its long battery life, capable of approximately 800 shots per charge, it's perfect for day-long adventures. Priced around $1,299, the Fujifilm XS20 is an excellent choice for hybrid shooters seeking high performance in a portable package. Number 3. Canon EOS R5 Mark II. The Canon EOS R5 Mark II builds upon the immense success of its predecessor, delivering unparalleled performance for both photography and video. Its 45 megapixel full-frame sensor ensures razor-sharp images with stunning color accuracy, while the updated Digic X processor enables blistering continuous shooting speeds of 30 frames per second using the electronic shutter. For videographers, the R5 Mark II excels with 8K RAW internal video recording at 60 frames per second and 4K oversampled footage at 120 frames per second, offering cinematic quality for professionals. The autofocus system is powered by Canon's dual pixel CMOS AF2, featuring 1053 AF points and advanced AI-driven subject tracking, including animals, vehicles, and human eyes. A key improvement is the 8.5 stop in-body image stabilization, making it ideal for handheld shooting. The 9.44 million OLED viewfinder offers offers an immersive and detailed view, and the fully articulated 3.2-inch touchscreen LCD enhances flexibility for creators. Dual card slots, supporting CF Express Type B and UHS-2 SD cards, ensure high-speed data writing and redundancy. The R5 Mark II also supports Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and USB-C, offering faster connectivity and remote shooting. With robust weather sealing, it's ready for professional use in any environment. Priced around $4,299, the Canon EOS R5 Mark II is a top-tier choice for professionals who demand cutting-edge performance. Number 2. Canon EOS R1. The Canon EOS R1 is the highly anticipated flagship mirrorless camera designed to redefine professional photography and videography. Equipped with a 24.2 megapixel full-frame stacked CMOS sensor and the powerful Digic X processor, the EOS R1 delivers unmatched speed, including 40 frames per second bursts with the electronic shutter and 20 frames per second with the mechanical shutter. This makes it a top choice for sports, wildlife, and action photography. The camera's video capabilities are equally remarkable, supporting 6K RAW recording at 60 frames per second and 4K 120 frames per second slow motion video. The autofocus system features Canon's advanced dual pixel CMOS AF2, ensuring precise and reliable tracking of subjects even in complex scenarios. Its 9.44 million dot electronic viewfinder offers a crystal clear view, while the fully articulated 3.2-inch LCD touchscreen adds versatility. The in-body 8-stop image stabilization ensures smooth footage and sharp handheld photos. With a durable magnesium alloy body and advanced weather sealing, the R1 is built to withstand the toughest conditions. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth, and USB-C, catering to professionals who need fast file transfers. Priced at approximately $6,500, the Canon EOS R1 represents the pinnacle of Canon's innovation, offering unparalleled speed and versatility for the most demanding creators. Number 1. Sony A1 II. The Sony A1 II is a no-compromise flagship camera that sets the bar for professional photography and videography. It features a groundbreaking 50.1 megapixel full-frame stacked CMOS sensor paired with the dual Bionz XR processors, delivering outstanding image quality and lightning-fast performance. Capable of 30 frames per second continuous shooting with the electronic shutter, the A1 II is perfect for high-speed action, wildlife, and sports photography. For video creators, the A1 II offers 8K 60p recording and 4K 120p slow motion with 10-bit 422 color, ensuring stunning cinematic footage. The autofocus system is second to none, featuring 759 phase detection points with real-time tracking and AI-based subject recognition. Sony's 9.44 million OLED EVF provides a lifelike preview, while the tilting touchscreen LCD adds flexibility for creative compositions. The 5-axis in-body stabilization offers up to 5.5 stops of compensation, ensuring sharp results even in challenging conditions. Dual card slots compatible with CF Express Type A and UHS-2 SD cards provide reliable and high-speed storage. Connectivity includes Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth, Ethernet, and USB-C, ensuring seamless integration into professional workflows. With robust weather sealing, the A1 II is designed to perform in any environment. Priced at $6,999, the Sony A1 II is the ultimate choice for professionals demanding the highest quality and speed in their work.